Dear students, in last session we have seen what is democracy, okay, and what are the how this democracy is evolved, okay, how in which country the democracy is first introduced. That is the term was most probably we had seen that, okay, and who is the father of democracy, okay, that is the thing. And what is the difference between this democratic country and non-democratic country, okay, that is you can able to tell that democratic form of government and non-democratic form of government also, okay, that is what in the last session we had seen. And this section we are going to see that features of democracy, okay, that is that in democracy there are various features and how the you can able to compare with this democratic country and non-democratic country. That is what the features of democracy. It is most probably you can able to tell the term as for entirely for democratic country only more features are there. And you know that these are the various features of democracy, and one is rulers selected by the people, okay, that is the thing. First feature is rulers are most probably elected by the people. It is always happen in a democratic form of government, okay. In non-democratic form of government you cannot able to see that, because non-democratic government it is going for king ruling or monarchy status, and always the rulers are not elected by the people, okay. And second one is major decision by elected leaders. This is also another features of thing. And you know that major decision will be by the selected leaders only, because they are the ruler of the country. That is the main thing. They only going for a decision making process, okay, that is the thing. You can able to tell that in India entire I already most probably I told you, in India if you say that the decision making process is most probably with the help of Prime Minister of India only, okay, that is what the power is rested with this decision makers. That is the thing goes for. The members are most probably elected by the people, okay, that is the representatives, what we are calling as the MPs, member of parliament, and most probably elected by the people in India. And surely they are going to be conduct free and fair election. That is the main thing, okay. And how to select this people, people are selecting this ruler, and most probably if the election is there only you can able to select. That is the main thing, okay, that is what the thing goes for. And you know that the voting system, okay, based on the thing. And the election should be in regular intervals. That is the thing. You can able to say that election should be, if we are not able to conduct election means then it goes for a status of monarchy only. That is what the things, okay, surely, because it is having regular intervals. In India you can able to tell that 5 years once we are going for election, okay, that is the thing. 5 years once, surely automatically either Lok Sabha election, the persons who are selected as a ruler of the country going to be dissolved, okay. Same thing you can able to for state government formation also, this MLAs and chief minister of the state, they are going to be dissolved. That is every 5 years there will be a this Lok Sabha election and state assembly election also. That is what the thing, okay. And in this election, that is what the term one person one vote one value, okay, you know that the importance of voting. And at the age of 18 only you can able to eligible for voting. That is what the thing goes for. And one person one vote only, and one value, it goes for equal value. That is what the things, one value only. And last feature is rule of law. That is the main thing, and respect of rights. And these are the thing how to conduct election, and all the things are most probably set in the Constitution of India, and based on the rules and regulation framed in the Constitution, okay, because election commission is an independent body in Indian Constitution. That is the main thing. And every country, if you say that democratic country, surely they will follow the Constitution, okay. If non-democratic country only, they will not follow the Constitution, and most probably they are going for immediate law changes and all more manner. In democratic country you cannot able to change the law in an immediate manner. That is the main thing. And most probably they will go for rule of law and respect of this certain rights, okay. That is what the thing goes for, avoid the selection of this decision maker and all the things by the people of India, okay. That is the thing. And first we can able to see this major decision by elected leaders. Okay, what are the major decision by elected leaders? You know that democratic government is one which people's representative participate in decision making process. Okay, when the government elected democratic government is formed, and people are most probably are representative, that is what the decision making process. Okay, and they can able to have a collective responsibility for all the decision taken by the government. And in democratic government you can able to oppose the government and the decision is not good like that. Okay, that is what the things most probably, you know, that you can able to oppose the government. Okay, that is what the thing goes for in a democratic government. You know that this recently the government of India, they had announced this education system. They had and they are going for a new education system in India. Okay, that is what how this decision maker with the prime minister only, they had gone for this new education policy and they had implemented that also. And you know that some fellows are telling that it is a right policy, and some fellows are telling that it is the policy is going for wrong policy. Okay, that is what the thing goes for. And you can able to go for agitation about the thing. And most probably this and all the policy making process, it is most probably with the knowledge of the people only they had make it. That is the main thing you can able to understand. Okay, that is what the decision making process also, it always helps to the people of India in a more manner. This democratic government always will they cannot able to do individually. That is the thing you can able to say, that they are having the collective responsibility for all the decision taken by the government. Okay, that is the main thing in a democratic government only. Okay, examples, there are some examples. The representatives of people are chosen, but they are not allowed to participate in decision making process. And you can able to, we are going to see this Pakistan country. Okay, there the people are elected, but the people cannot able to go for any changes happen in the government. That is what they cannot able to go for. And the people who is not elected by this democratic government, and most probably that member is having the final decision authority. That is the main thing. There are some examples where representatives of people are chosen, but they are not allowed to participate in decision making process. Okay, this happens in many dictatorship and monarchy form of government. That is the thing you can able to say that. Okay, that is what in the many monarchy status only. Okay, they won't go for in the favor of constitution and all the things. Okay, that is what as Indian country is going. Okay, that is what the things most probably. And you know that major decision by elected rulers, this is completely going for a monarchy status. Earlier Pakistan also, which is democratic government, and in Pakistan you can able to say that people formally have elected parliament. Okay, and the government, but the real power is with those who is not elected by the people. Okay, that is the main thing in Pakistan is happen. And is an example only how this monarchy status is working. Okay, that is what the thing you can able to say that. Okay, how this monarchy status is working. And this in October 1999, okay, General Musharraf, you know that, I think so, he is overthrew the democratically elected government. Okay, he doesn't want that thing, and most probably he said that in October 1999, this General Parvez Musharraf, you know about this man also. Okay, and he is a democratically elected government. That is what the things most probably. And he himself declared himself as a chief executive of the country. Okay, in 1999 only. That is what the October 99, General Musharraf thrown away this democratically elected government and declared himself as a chief executive of the country. What it happens means, and you know that major decision, this what in 2002 he issued this legal framework order. Okay, that is what the this according to this legal framework order, and he itself becomes this according to this order, the president can dismiss the national or provincial assemblies, because he himself declared as a chief executive and he himself declared as the president of Pakistan. Okay, and again the Pakistan is going for a monarchy status. It is not going for a democratic status, it is going for a monarchy status. And because in 2002 he framed legal framework order, and according to this order, the president can dismiss the national and provincial assemblies. Okay, they can able to inside the country, any national public sector or anything, the president can able to dismiss. That is what the power here it is having. Okay, and this the work of civilian cabinet. Okay, it is that is what the cabinet most probably supervised by National Security Council, which is dominated by military officers. This National Security Council is dominated by these military officers because the military come under rule. That is the main thing. Okay, military rule. That is the thing. Okay, it is not a this democratic country. The decision maker is going for not a people who is selected as a ruler is not going to be sitting in the decision maker. And after that, he ordered that he is the president and dismissed this national and our provincial assembly means, and automatically Pakistan come under the control of military. Okay, military officers. Okay, that is the thing. And the final decisions or powers. Okay, that is what the decision, final authority of decision or powers is rest in the hand of Parvez Musharraf. He itself declared himself. That is the thing. Okay, that is what the final decision making power must be rest with those elected by the people. And if in democratic government only, this final decision making power must rest with those elected by the people of thing. In that final decision is powers are rest in the hand of Parvez Musharraf. That is the thing you can able to say that. Okay, that is the main thing you can able to say that he himself declare. And what is happened means after that the people cannot able to ask anything related to this thing. Always it is directly controlled by the military, and automatically conflict arises inside the country in a more manner. Okay, that is the people are most probably tortured. That is the main thing you can able to call that. And some what does after many reasons, that is why Pakistan under General Musharraf should not be called a democracy. Okay, because he himself elected as a chief executive. That is he is an executive, and what the executive says, and he can having the full power to dismiss this national or provincial assemblies and all the things. And most probably that is what the things happening. They cannot able, the people or anything, they nobody can able to take and the final decision. Either these cabinet members or nobody is having this final decision. And this happens. That is what in dictatorship and monarchies. That is what again this for earlier it is a democratic form of government. Because of this Parvez Musharraf in 1999, he declared himself as a chief executive, and it is going for a monarchy status. And people doesn't like that. That is what the things goes for. Okay, they formally have an elected parliament and government, but the real power with those who are not elected. Okay, that is what the thing goes for, and it is going for a non-democratic government. Okay, that is the thing you can able to say that. Okay, this you can able to say that this gives the first feature. In a democracy, the final decision making power must rest with those elected by the people. Okay, that is what the difference between democratic government. This is an example of this non-democratic government. Okay, already the Pakistan is the democratic status. How India is going, that is same policy only they had gone for. And after in October 1999 only, General Parvez Musharraf overthrew this democratic elected government and declared himself as a chief executive of the country. That is the main thing. And after that only it changes. And after that the people also doesn't like that. Okay, that is the main thing. The thing. And after that now you can able to say that they are again comes to a democratic form of government. And you know that there is a always having the problem with India and Pakistan in a more manner. We are having the conflict because of LOC, line of control also, and most probably we are having more conflict with this Pakistan, and always we are having the problem with the Pakistan in a more manner. Either and now the Pakistan is under they are most probably they are having economical problem arises in the Pakistan. This changes. Okay, and they had arrested Parvez Musharraf also now. Okay, because newly formed government they arrested this Parvez Musharraf, and most probably that is the thing. And after changing of democratic government. Okay, that is what the thing. And this you can able to say that this monarchy status doesn't shows that, and it is not going to be favor of the people. Okay, it always going for against of the people, and the decision maker is what is the thing is, most probably what I am doing is right. Okay, that is what the Parvez Musharraf done it, and most probably people also doesn't like that, and after that they are converted into democratic government, and now there is what these are the things done by the Parvez Musharraf. That is what the now ruling government, that is what it says that, and Parvez Musharraf is arrested also. That is what the thing goes for. Okay, this you can able to see in the non-democratic government how this major decision taken by these elected leaders. Okay, and same thing if you compare India, you can able to tell that how this new education system policy, and if the policy want to change also, if the people says also, most probably they are taken from the people's view only, and if the policy is not all the people are not accepted means, and most probably they are going to change the policy. Okay, that is what the education policy they had implemented with this decision makers, the rulers only. Most probably they had implemented in India, and that is what we want to wait and see what the policy is doing, going to be continue or not. Okay, this ends with your session, and next class we can able to see this fair and free and fair electoral competition. Okay, and thank you for your attention. Thank you one and all. Okay, thank you.